So hey family, how you doing? It's me, Glamour. I'm back. Finna do a little juicing. You know I'm on that healthy thing, so I'm back doing the what I did a couple of years back when I did a weight loss with the juicing. I incorporated juice into my diet. So if I find a picture or two, I'm gonna try to insert a picture. But yeah, I'm ready to get serious. So hey. So I want to share this journey with you guys. In fact, I'm going to show y'all the results probably after juicing, like after 10 days. I'm just going to do a juice, let's say for 10 days. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the results. Okay? So I guess we're going to title this video what? How to juice for weight loss? So I don't know. But anyway, I'll think of a title. But anyway, so I'm starting off with the carrots and apples. You know, carrots is good for like stress and stuff. And you know, when we be stressed, we hold on to a lot of weight and stuff, especially in our middle section with the hormone, what's that? God, my mind just drew a blank. But anyway, I'll put the name in the video. But anyway, you can't go wrong with this juice right here. It has the ginger, which help with weight loss and healthier skin. Carrots, good with your cholesterol, heart health. It helps with skin as well. The apples, that help with fight with Alzheimer. It also a cancer fighting property. It helps with diabetes. It also lower your cholesterol. So you can't go wrong with this juice right here. It is so good. You should give it a try. So we're going to put a couple of apples in it. I'm going to put some ginger in it. And I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay, family. I was feeling the pulp. The pulp is really dry. But I mean, all of my juice is coming on out like it's supposed to. I had to cut up some more carrots because I want to make a certain amount of juice. You know, at least last for a day or two. It's good to drink these juices first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's just like starting your day off with fresh fruit or vegetables, which is always a plus. Like I said, this is apple and carrots, and they got a little bit of ginger in there. Kind of mix it up. Oh, that is so good. Can't wait till it be cold in the refrigerator, let it chill. You can taste the carrots. You can taste everything, the carrot, apple, and the ginger. The ginger is a little spicy. So if it's a little bit too strong, you probably put a little more apples in there. I think I may put a couple more apples in there. Or, you know, nothing you can add to your juice is coconut water. That you can add that as well. Yeah, that is so good. I got an apple over here, a big one. I'm gonna wash it off and we're gonna cut the apple up. We're gonna put one more apple in there. Oh God, that is so good. It's real tasty. I thought those were small pieces of ginger. They look small, but they still carry big punch. Let's put these little apples in. That's not much juice. This is what I'm gonna put in on. I know I need to cut up some more apples. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, family, so the carrots and apple juice with a little bit of ginger made 2 18-ounce bottles. They look good. Look at there. So I got those. So now I'm going to do the other weight loss and the weight loss and the detox that I was drinking every morning. Oh God, this was so good. This was a really good recipe. So you know, we're gonna put the whole lemon in. I'm just gonna cut it up. I already sliced the pineapples up. So I got the cucumbers. I'm gonna put them in there. And got the turmeric right here. I need to go to the store and get some more. I think I might put a twist to it. I think I'm gonna put a piece of mint leaf in there. Give it another little extra taste. Oh, where my little thing at? Oh, it's over here. All right, like I said, these juices is gonna help us with our getting on track with the weight loss. Like I said, I'm gonna see if I can find a picture when I was doing it before, you know, all this stuff going on, and before we couldn't go out and we was on lockdown. We was living a normal, healthy life. And so yeah, before all that going on. So let's start. I had cleaned it, or cleaned it out after I did this. I washed it and cleaned it. The pineapple. So we got one whole pineapple. Ooh, that pineapple smells so good. Let's see if it's sweet. Okay, that's a little thing there. Alright. I washed my hair today, so that's why it's kind of curly. I'm going to put that turmeric in here. Lemon in there. Because the pineapple is more juicy, more water. I want to put all that in there to make sure we can get all grind it up. So like I said, you take this in the morning on an empty stomach. And yeah, it helps. It gives you energy. It helps burn fat. This is a really good drink. Like I said, if you're detoxing and you're on that weight loss journey. And I'm gonna put a little mint leaf in there. Oh, that lines his daughter. Look at that color. That's the pineapple with the turmeric. It's a nice yellow color. Look at there. Okay, people. I guess the camera's on. I had to stop and do some stuff. It was doing some stuff. So I put the last little piece of pineapple in there. Put another piece of cucumber because the other cucumbers wasn't making a lot. So this is going to be the last of this one. This is the detox and weight loss. This is for stress in your skin. And it also is with the ginger in there. The ginger help you with your digestive system. We got turmeric in this one, which also help with detoxing. All right, let's see. So we got 1 bottle of the green. Let's see how much it's gonna make. Oh. Don't make a mess like me. I don't know why it's pouring for me all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even taste this one. I know I tasted before. You gotta fill it all the way up to the top. Let me taste it, see if it still tastes as good as it did before. Oh yeah. You can taste the lemon. Yeah, you can taste it. Yeah, it's still good. This probably meant to get a little jar. Because I know it's not going to fill up one of those. I'm just going to put it in here. I don't think it's going to fill up. I got some smaller ones. Oh, smaller ones. I don't know. So that's that. Put the top on it. So we got 2 greens and 2 the orange, and we got a little half one. I had some other stuff on it. I want to do the celery and stuff. Celery and celery is another good juice too. But you know, we're gonna make those, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and make a couple of more. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the results. Follow along, and I'm gonna show you the results. Okay? Peace, love, and blessings. Ciao. Just gonna give it a stir. Here's my little taste cup. I'm just gonna get a little bit, because I don't need them to give me no energy, kind of keep me up. Oh, that's got a good little taste to it. That was not too strong. So you gotta fill it all the way up to the top, just about. There's 1 shot. Two. Ooh, that's all the way to the top right there. I think it's gonna make all 8 of them. Let me get the other ones. They said you gotta fill it up, keep it from maybe oxidizing. So you gotta fill it all the way up to the top. Yeah, still got some there. So they said these shots are good to take in the morning for your energy. Or you can take it throughout the day, but everything is best to take in the morning. What is this top one for? laptop is having issues. Set it on there just right. Make sure this is on there right. Y'all think this on there right? Get the other tops. No, I'm missing one top. It's up under there somewhere. Let me go back. These are the ginseng, lemon, and pineapple shots. Let me get the other top. Okay, so we made our little shots. I'm gonna put this in another little bottle. I put this in a smaller jar. Let me see if I got another. I know I should have another one, but my thing is where's the lids? And I ordered some lids. I'm gonna go get them today from my daughter's house. I'm gonna put it in another big bottle. Put it in the other big bottle that I had. I wonder if I could mix it with the green juice. Look at it, it's making a mess. Well, you know this is raw and uncut. I don't have to, okay, family. So this is the ginseng shots. This is the green juice for the detox and weight loss. This is for your energy and stress. The carrot and apple and ginger. Cucumbers, pineapple, lemon, turmeric. Ginseng, pineapple, and lemon. All right, so there we have it. So make sure you follow me for the results. And if you want to join it with me too. All right. Peace, love, and blessings. And remember, Kim, I don't have your phone number, and you calling the wrong number. Ciao.